Good morning, teachers. It is technically time to start our Latin since we have 4 days before our first community day on the 15th. I'm excited, and I know you can figure this out all on your own. I'm just going to walk you through it. I'm here for moral support, and I'm going to point out a few things, a few questions I had when I went through this lesson. Latin. Sorry. It's early. Okay, Latin. I am looking at the Challenge A guide on page 36. This is our week 1 for Latin, and specifically we're going to look at this at-home section. Here's the resources we're going to use. The first year Latin is the purple book. We're going to read pages 1 through 7. And in our Henley Grammar, the grammar book, which is the blue one, we're going to read rules number 31, 32, and 33. Those are not page numbers. They are rule numbers. The whole book is just a bunch of rules, and they're numbered. That's all this book is. And yeah, it took me a while to figure that out. Okay, and we're going to read pages 1 through 5 in the grammar. Now, if you go to your workspace A, it will take that same information and it will break it down. It's already got it separated, you know, what you can do on day 1 and what part you do on day 2, and etc. So you don't have to really plan that if we just go by the workspace A. So, for example, week 1, day 1, which is today, read pages 1 through 7 in the purple book. And tomorrow, you would create your flashcards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flashcards. And all that is, you'll understand after reading today's assignment in the purple book, you put this on the front, terrae on the front, and on the back you put land, earth. And that's it. That's all you need to do. I did put out that other video, how to go ahead and put your declensions on there. If you want to do that, that's fine. But that's all you need to do. The Latin on one side and the English on the other. Okay, and then on day 3, noun declension chart. It says, again, read pages 1 through 7 again in the purple book and decline the nouns by looking at grammar rules 31, 32, 33. So read all that again and fill out this chart. That's it. And then on day 4, tells you what to do here. Look at those grammar rules again and fill out this chart. Okay, now I was confused earlier in that video I did on the Latin flashcards. Do we memorize these grammar rules or not? I remember seeing it somewhere. Where was it? Okay, this box right here is actually what we have to do and check off, what the student has to do and check off. Did they study and assign, did they study the assigned reading in the first year Latin and the grammar book? And you'll check that off. Or they'll check it off. That's up to you. Memorize the assignment from grammar. Was that memorize these 3 rules or memorize pages 1 through 5? I did have some confusion there, but after looking at grammar pages 1 through 5, maybe it's good to be familiar with those rules, but let's just memorize these 3. And then make your flashcards. So by the end of the week, the students should be able to check off those 3 boxes before coming to class. Okay, and that's it. Very simple, straightforward. Text me if you have any questions. And that's it. Have a great first day. Welcome to Challenge A Latin. Go for it.